watching Sue's Quick and Easy. Join us for doing quick and easy meals while trying to keep it on the cheap.
And no, I'm not faking it. I've got the hiccups. Oh, dang it. I hate the hiccups. The hiccups are annoying. You know, you're trying to do stuff and you're trying to get on with your day. And all you can do is hiccup like a crazy darn fool. And it's annoying. And you just want to get rid of them. So, and by the way, this is not fake. This is for real. I actually do have the hiccups. So this is what you do. You get yourself some good old pickle juice to get rid of your hiccups. And just drink some pickle juice. And it will get rid of your hiccups. I know that some people might not like the thought of drinking pickle juice, but I'm telling you, there's something about the vinegar and the pickle juice that just arrests your hiccups right on the spot. See? I'm not hiccuping anymore. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, but I wasn't getting hiccups. And then today, I just got some hiccups, and so I thought I'd just show you that trick, because I'm sure hiccups are annoying for a lot of people. So if you have the hiccups, try some good old pickle juice. And it'll take it away instantly. So, okay, well, thanks for joining me on Sue's Quick and Easy. This was like a little Sue's short, just to kind of help you out and give you a little tip of the day. So, thanks for joining me on Sue's Quick and Easy, or Sue's Shorts. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. See? It worked. I happen to like pickle juice. I know I'm probably a freak. Well, I mean, I know I'm a freak, but it works for hiccups. I'm telling you. Right, babies? You love your mama, I know. Oh. Oh, sweet little guy. Oh. You're a sweet little guy. Okay, now move.